Hello, it is I, Cheese Nut, and today we will be playing the popular game Celeste, which just released from the Nintendo 3DS. So we begin by climbing the mountain. So today we're going to be playing the resort level. So contrary to popular belief, this game's actually quite easy. Yeah, so we're just gonna start, and I'm just gonna start by jumping. Yep, like that, just like that, and you want to dash there. And just jump over that. Don't actually do that. Don't do that either. Don't do that. Just jump over like that. Yeah, I'm just showing you what not to do. I didn't do that on purpose. Don't do that either. So you're gonna jump and not hit that. Don't do that. Yeah, okay, so just don't do that. Okay, so, it's okay. You won't have to get all the strawberries. The game says you don't need them, but what if you got hungry, you know? So you need to find the key. I'm a gamer, so I noticed it right there. So just, I'm showing you what not to do. You just gotta jump over it. Yeah, oh shit. Okay, so, you're gonna wanna get the key to open the door, so you just gotta jump. It's really simple, actually. You just jump over that, and then you grab the key, and you open the door, like that. And, now you're inside the castle. You gotta talk to this guy. That's kind of scary, but you know, it's cool. So this is a cutscene. This guy is kind of weird, but he thinks like you want to climb the mountain, but he's like, you're actually gonna stay in my hotel. Yeah, just maybe. So I don't know why anyone would pay attention to this. It's kind of dumb. So no one pays attention to the story in this game. It's not good. Yeah, so you're supposed to follow him or something. I don't know why they put that there. It's kind of useless. Yeah, so I don't really know why they put that there. So I'm just gonna skip a little bit. This is the fun part. So you're gonna want to be really careful, and to get the strawberries, it's only gonna take a few tries. If you do it right. So you're gonna jump onto that platform, and then that platform, and then yeah. Okay, so don't do that. So you jump on the platform. So you jump on the platform, and then you jump on that platform, and then you jump on that platform, and then you go through. And then I forgot the strawberry. I forgot the strawberry. Okay, so don't worry about the strawberry. So you're gonna jump, and then jump on that one, and then okay, so you're gonna jump on that one, and then jump on the next. Okay, so you're gonna jump. So you're gonna jump over yeah, like that, and then jump up, and okay, so you're gonna want to get the strawberry. You don't forget any strawberries. So I'm just showing you exactly how to not do it. So don't follow what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so this is probably one of the easier levels in the game. and you don't want to really mess this one up, where people think you're kind of bad at the game. You know, it's just, yeah. So you're just gonna jump here and jump. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just jump, and then jump. Okay, just like that, yeah. And then you're gonna want to jump again, and okay, okay, okay. So you're gonna want to jump, and then so this is probably one of the better video games I've played in a while. Like, I'm sure Notch would recommend it. It's not as good as Minecraft, but really it's rare that you see a game that is as good as Minecraft. Like, there's no creepers in this game. I think it would be better if they added creepers to this game. So again, just don't do what I'm doing. Just follow closely. This is how you get a strawberry in this game. It's okay. It's okay. I can do it. I can do it. Do it. Do it. Yes. 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 Okay, so yeah, that's all the time I have for Celeste today. See you guys next time.